Onion peel fertilizer is a natural and organic fertilizer. It can be used in two ways. It can be used as dry fertilizer. Besides, it can be used as liquid fertilizer. Onion peel contains potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen, which are essential for plant growth. First, collect red, dry, and clean onion peel. Then grind them in a blender. One teaspoon of this fertilizer should be used in a 12-inch tub. Soak in water for 2 or 3 days to make liquid fertilizer. After 3 days, now it is ready to use.